So this last trouble code is the no battery trouble code, and all this means is that you don't have a backup battery hooked up, or it's not charged enough for the system to read it. If you do have it hooked up and it's still showing this, give the battery at least 48 hours to charge, and that way the system can recognize that there is a battery hooked up to it. So all that means is we don't have a battery hooked up, no battery system area. So we'll jump over to the panel, we'll hook up the battery real quick, and then I'll be back. Here's the battery quick connect cable that comes with the board. You're just going to hook it to the BAT plus and BAT minus, and then insert the black onto the negative side of the battery and the red onto the positive side. And so now we have the battery hooked up, and as you can see, we have cleared all of the default trouble conditions on the system.